TeePee and Dorrbell ditched this hot chick's house.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hopefully her garage isn't open or something. I don't know. The last time we tried to do it, her porch lights came on. Freaked out.
Alright, let's do this.
Creepy lady's house. God, there's a...
Oh, fuck, car.
Hide in the bushes. Bush. Look at this car.
Which one's Paige's house again? Oh, it's this one right here. There's no cars. Dude, what if a car pulls up while we're doing it? We'd be fucked.
I know. Okay, we're gonna wrap it around with trees. And then like...
No, we can't, because the window's right there.
Huh. Alright. You ready, Gooch?
Yeah, let's go.
You ready?
You're gonna go get it.
Where are you gonna throw it?
Throwing it over there. Fuck!
Shit.
Go get it, go. Fuck. Go, here, I'll hold it.
Hold it.
Oh my god. Just throw it over the house.
No, this is a whole roll of toilet paper. No, not a whole, don't do the whole roll. Yeah, I'll look. Go.
Just ditch it.
No,
or go get it. I'm scared, dude. No, we gotta do more.
No, only Doorbell. No.
Doorbell ditch it.
Alright.
Here, let me hold it.
No, I will. Shit. Oh fuck, dude. Oh fuck. We need to go back and get it. Dude. Don't. My sister's gonna be pissed. We can't go back.
My sister's gonna be pissed.
Yeah.
We can't go though. We can't go back.
Yeah, we can. She was the only one there. Come on. We have
Paige was?
Probably. Let's
Here,
go.
let me see this.
No, we're going back.
Alright, let me see it. You go fucking get it then. They're probably gonna wait for us or something, but... Yeah. But you don't know. There might be cars in the garage or something.
You're right.
Oh wait, no, they always park in the driveway.
Yeah, we were in her garage.
Yeah, there's hella shit in there.
I'll doorbell ditch her.
Yeah, doorbell ditch
Dude, you threw it.
Say suck my dick!
Come on.
Are we getting the roll back?
Yeah. I'm not gonna, dude. Give me the camera, because I want to do it like up there unless you go with me.
Okay. Let's go.
You don't suck my
Be careful, be careful. Doorbell ditch. Suck my dick!
Then get more houses. Oh
I can't go, dude. Oh my god. Oh. No, we'll use that on more houses. Don't throw it. Oh, just that roll?
No, we'll put the roll back.
This is it?